Thanks for joining me for another Tapas Tuesday. We only need 3 simple ingredients: spicy olive oil, Mediterranean sea salt, and the star of the dish, Spanish Padron peppers. Wash and dry the peppers well, douse them with some super flavorful extra virgin olive oil like picual, and now give them a toss to completely coat them with the oil. And once they're well covered, start to heat up your sauté pan until it's ripping hot. Once the pan is good and hot, put all the peppers into the pan and spread them out so they have plenty of space. And you'll know the pan is hot enough because they'll start to dance around right away. We don't want them to steam. We want them to sear until the skin is charred a really nice dark brown all the way around. See, that's just what we're after. This is going to take a few minutes, but the char is a great part of the flavor, and moving them around in the pan for a bit lets the peppers cook through, and you'll notice they're going to start to soften. So keep them moving with an occasional stir, just enough to keep them from burning. After a few minutes, you'll notice the peppers are starting to wilt. Slide them out of the pan and onto a serving platter. We're almost done, but we need one finishing touch. Now make sure all the peppers are in the dish, and then sprinkle some nice crunchy Mediterranean sea salt all over the peppers. And serve them up. But give your guests plenty of warning. Somebody might just get that 1 in 100 spicy one. This was so easy and quick to make. Try another tapa by clicking on this playlist for other great ways to eat the Mediterranean way every day.